Fuel delivery isn't just another routing problem. It's one of the most operationally complex and high-risk logistics workflows in the industry. Every day, tankers carrying multiple fuel grades must navigate hazmat restrictions, truck routes, time-critical deliveries, and tight access points, all while preventing stockouts and maximizing compartment utilization. One routing mistake can mean regulatory violations, environmental risk, or thousands of dollars in lost revenue. So how do you optimize multi-compartment fuel deliveries safely, efficiently, and at scale? NextBillion.ai provides a routing and optimization engine, purpose-built to handle the real-world complexity of fuel and oil distribution. In this demo, we'll walk through how NextBillion.ai's route planner handles multi-compartment routing use cases commonly found in fuel, petroleum, and liquid distribution. In these scenarios, vehicles have multiple compartments with different sizes, and each compartment carries a specific product type. Mixing products is not allowed, and deliveries must respect both compartment capacity and product integrity. We'll start with a basic setup, configuring our optimization objectives to minimize total travel time while also reducing the number of trucks required. Let's start with the job configuration. We've already imported a set of delivery orders using a CSV file. Each job represents a customer location with a fixed service time, in this case, 20 minutes per stop. For every location, we've defined the quantity of each product type that needs to be delivered. Here, we're managing 3 product types. For example, regular fuel, premium fuel, and diesel. At this specific customer location, we're delivering 9 units of one product type, 2 units of another, and 8 units of a third. Some locations may not require every product type, and all of these quantities are validated through the delivery capacities array. Next, let's move to vehicle configuration. Each truck starts and ends its route at a central depot. We first define the number of product types the fleet can carry with the capacity attribute. This determines how many product dimensions the optimization engine will consider. In this example, we're working with 3 product types. Now comes the critical part, compartment configuration. This is where we define the physical layout of each truck. For example, one truck may have 2 compartments with capacities of 150 and 500 units, while another may have 3 compartments with different capacities. The next key step is defining what we call alternative capacities. This allows us to model all valid ways a truck's compartments can be used across different product types. Here I've already mapped the alternative capacities attribute, and with a single click, the system automatically generates every possible capacity combination based on each truck's compartment layout and the number of products it can carry. Once saved, you'll see a multi-dimensional capacity array. For example, this truck can carry the full 650 units of a single product, or split that capacity across compartments, such as 150 units of one product and 500 units of another. As the number of compartments or product types increases, it scales to generate all valid combinations automatically. At this point, all required inputs are ready: jobs, vehicles, compartment layouts, and constraints. We now submit the problem to the NextBillion.ai Route Optimization engine by clicking Generate Route. The engine processes all constraints in the background and computes the optimal solution. Now we have the optimized route plan for each truck. For every vehicle, you can see its compartment layout and exactly how much of each product type is allocated to each compartment. The system clearly shows both the utilized quantity and the maximum capacity for every compartment. As the route progresses, compartment quantities decrement with each delivery until all compartments are emptied by the end of the shift. In the timeline view, you can also see delivery-level details, including what product is delivered at each stop and how it affects remaining compartment capacity. This gives dispatchers and operations teams full visibility into how fuel or liquid products are distributed across routes, vehicles, and compartments. That's how with NextBillion.ai you can plan multi-compartment deliveries and maximize tanker utilization for petroleum or any other liquid distribution. If you're building or operating fuel logistics systems and want advanced routing technology designed specifically for multi-compartment fuel delivery, reach out to learn more about NextBillion.ai solutions.